Alrighty, boys and girls, good morning. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Like the stream on your way in if you'd be ever so kind, ladies and gents. And let's get into it, guys. It's looking like we're drawing towards at least 968 on NQ. We are trading above this first high here. I mean, so we'll see if price wants to just take this, what is this, Asia high? Just take out Asia high and not go any higher. I don't see that happening, but we'll see. At this point, you just need to draw on liquidity and buy and sell towards it to make money. Yeah, Junaid, that's kind of the way that I look at bias. Draw on liquidity and power of 3. What kind of throws it off? What kind of throws it off is honestly this type of action when price, like let's say my draw is higher, right, towards lower resistance liquidity buy side. Well, for power of 3, I would prefer to see manipulation actually the other direction first, right? I want to see manipulation against the direction I want to see price go. That validates my entry, right? So when price kind of opens and goes straight to the draw, you kind of have to wait and see what happens next. Yeah, I don't know. This is just wild and fast, straight up, straight down. I don't have a clear draw right now, I guess, anymore. We'll give it a minute. So this 4-hour candle, we got 15 minutes left on it. Yeah, we were already trading up from this 4-hour BISI on Nasdaq. I guess as long as we don't lose that, it'd be hard to not lean more bullish. If we lose this, then look out. We could be dropping, but if we hold this gap, I don't see why we wouldn't want to just stay with the bulls. Look at this 15-minute candle. Oh my yuck. Oh my yuck. Took buy side, came back down, traded back into this imbalance, retested that 4-hour again. A little BPR here on the 15. It's looking like we're going to hold this gap for now. I mean, we got 15 minutes left. A lot could change, but I don't know, guys. I'm in a wait for more information kind of mode right now. But the only incomes that I really judge, and I just obviously I'm biased as I guess just like I like to consider myself a high moral individual and a Christian, but yeah, the only income that I do cast judgment on is probably OnlyFans. So like when you say I couldn't be proud of myself if I would get a millionaire with a meme coin, it's no luck, no skill. I feel that way about like OnlyFans. But at the end of the day, your judgment can only go so far. You still got the guys paying for it, creating the opportunity for those individuals. Oh yeah, course selling. Yeah, I would agree with that. That's also something that I look very negatively upon. Especially when people, I have no problem with courses. Like if people really are who they say they are and they can prove it, and you want to sell a financial education product or a trading product, and you have, you know, the results to prove and verify you are who you say you are, and you disclose everything and you're just super transparent, then yeah, I mean, I guess I have no problem with that. But the reality is the reason why course, like selling courses, especially around like day trading and stuff, or even e-com or anything, like it's just a lot of smoke and mirrors, a lot of BS, right? It's a lot of people lying about their results in order to sell something, right? And then they make a lot of money from that. I very much dislike that, but courses just in general, as long as it's credible, I guess I don't have an issue with it. But that's kind of the issue, right? Like, how do you know, right? You don't know. Somebody could be lying right to you. Somebody could be really good at faking it. Like, that happens every day. So, but anyway, now that I'm done yapping, get back to focusing here on price. New hour just opened up. Let's see if we can get a little manipulation down, guys. Power of 3 of that 1 hour candle. Would like to buy in the lower wick. And the only entry I see is this inefficiency here. See on the 5? Yeah, no. 3, 2. The 3 probably looks the cleanest. Yeah, let's see if we can get one poke down into this fair value gap. All right. Yeah, I'll go stop here. The problem is the draw, like, is this high? And it's not a very big target. And I don't know. Is it worth trying to run it all the way up here? We could. If there's more room to go to the upside to, like, those highs. There could still be a lot of opportunity here. Barring a potential pullback. Alright, guys, got triggered in here. Bang, bro took a winning trade. What do you mean? We killed it yesterday, I thought. And I didn't take a trade yet today. This is my first one. And it got fucking stopped out in literally 5 seconds. I think I got stopped out before the delay of my entry is even going to show on the YouTube stream. Holy bananas. This is nasty. Oh, just disgusting. What the hell? If this wicks all the way back up and then flies, I am just going to be irate. I'm going to be insufferable. I'll replay the move if we get like a 1 minute inversion. This is looking like it's going to leave another fair value gap here. So if we inverse, I'll hop back in, I guess. But that was the fastest stop I may have ever had in my life. And I used to trade US 30 on the 1 minute chart. Wow, that was fast. And just ask my ex. I know speed. I know speed when I see speed. Game respects game. You think I'm premature? You check out you ever see Nasdaq? Sheesh. Sheesh. So if we get the inversion here, I will replay the setup. I don't know. I get stopped out literally by a tick. Put my stop right here. Below first presentation again. We wick all the way through it. I mean, what was I supposed to do? Have a 60-point stop loss? Trading is a scam. Finally someone speaks the truth. Don't tell me we're going to get a seek and destroy day today. Inverse this gap. Let us get back in longs and make up for what you just did. Do not even think about retracing back down in here and chopping around on us. That would just be so boring. All right, folks, we got the inversion. I am in again, as I said I would. And if we are seek and destroy, I am going to get absolutely cooked here. If we can spool, I am in great shape. Oh, am I in some good shape, boys? Oh. Yeah, if we get seek and destroy, I'm going to be seek and destroyed and seeking to get off this chart. I'll be seeking will to live. NQ gonna chat again? Don't say that. Don't say that, Wolf. Team Kamala. Well, I'm on Team Spool. Mainly because I'm biased and hopeful, but I'll quickly admit defeat and quickly get out of these conditions if it indeed is going to be not that. But in my mind, the way that I'm viewing this setup right now is this is still kind of the same initial long idea. You know, if this plays out, then I guess my original stop was just too tight, but like this area is still held, right? Area is still held. You see the bodies respecting. Looks a lot sexier on the 3 minute, if I'm being honest, for potential further upside. So yeah, to me, I'm just replaying the same long. Oh, Mohammed, welcome. Thanks for the subscription. I'm going break even once this high is taken here at 968, by the way. Let's check ES. ES was kind of outpacing NQ for a bit to the upside. Not right now. Should be good. No SMTs forming against us at the moment. Let's see the hourly candle expand. Yeah, kind of unfortunate that this stop out happened. A. Wouldn't you say? I mean, I think I literally got bottom ticked. Low of this candle is 876 and 3/4. 876 and 3/4. And my stop was, wait. Oh, 876, 880. Oh, so yeah, I was like 4 points too high on the stop there, I guess. Classic. 4 points away from destiny yesterday and 4 points away today. Consistent. At least I'm consistent. You know what? I'm just going to go break even now. And if I get stopped out, well, this is going to look really, actually, totally disgusting. Would you agree, boys? Just picture, close your eyes. Just kidding, you need them open. Open your eyes. Look at this chart. If this chart comes all the way back down in here, this is pretty gross. Generate the buy side, run the buy side. Generate the buy side and run the buy side. There we go. All right. Partial if you can, I suppose. I am in on Top Step X as well. I got a little bit worse of an entry. I'll shave a little off. I'm in 10 micros. That's pumping right now, actually. I'm close to passing. I'm like $300 away. Took half off Top Step X, so I got 5 micros still riding. I can't believe that thing wicked me out right here. That's actually so not cool. We'll chill the stop up here. Below this fair value gap here in this high. Nice little trade so far. Hopefully you guys partialed if you can. See if we can get this run. Spool, bitch. Spool, you dirty bastard. You dirty, dirty bastard. You cooked some ES longs? You did? Nice. No, OMFX. I gave some profits back. I gave 500 of my 900 profit back yesterday. Trying to stubbornly get it across the finish line. I'm working on it right now. They're close. I got like $140, $150 ish. So this might be too much. I don't want to short sell myself and then like be like $5 away though. But yeah, if it hits TP here, I should be good. Got my eye on it. Toggling back and forth. Which one do you want? Which one do you want to watch? Trading View or Top Step X? Top Step X. Yeah, I shaved 5 off. Just out of habit. I think I would have already passed if I didn't do that. Let's watch how price reacts to this level. If it seems to give us any issues, we're gonna get out. But otherwise, I'm gonna plan to just keep trying to trailing this stop along. Oh shit! I was not showing you guys. See, this is the problem. I'm showing you guys the wrong monitor. I added the negative 0.5 standard deviations to the old fib projection. Yeah, it's copy traded. Yeah. I did not hold yesterday. I'm holding today. 30-minute negative OB. Do you agree? 30-minute bearish order block. Do I agree? No, it's like a lot of relative equal highs, but let's see if this gap can hold. It's the gap that was created above this high. Hopefully just a quick little manipulation. There we go. Get going. Give us a Shrek candle. We're creating SMT at the current second with ES. With this high here. Break her down. Come on. And by down I mean up. That's not what I wanted to see. Yeah, you wick back up for me. 10:30 here. Give up the Garst. Give up the Garst. Give up that bloody Garst. SMT still holding on for dear life. Come on, you bloody bastard. You're teasing us, Inky. You're teasing us. Knock it off. Yes. Yes. All right. I'm jamming stop up here. On both. Is anybody good at doing math while these prices are all moving? I think I got this set right where I need it. Yes, I got it. All right, cool. Thanks, guys. No Trump tweets. Please. No Trump tweets. Hey, look at that. All right, we got 3 of them bad boys passed. I'm holding this thing. Let's run this thing. I'm just going to keep riding stop loss. Congrats, guys, if you guys took those longs. But yeah, these 3 are all passed now. Add those to the mix. All right. Like I said, I wanted to see, if we slow down a lot here at negative 0.5, then this is fine. Anyway, I'll show it, but I'm copy trading 3, but you guys know that it's not always like perfect. Oh, wow. You know what? What just happened? You know, I'm going to be happy with that, actually. I like that. I like that round 2K number. So, yeah, great stuff there. But, yeah, just a little recap. I did take 1 loss. Basically, I played the same setup twice. And my first stop loss apparently was 4 points too high. Go figure. So then I just replayed it here when we inversed on the 1 minute. But the overarching bias, obviously at first we weren't too sure. And then as things started to round into form, we started to realize that this 10 a.m. 4-hour candle closure was going to indeed respect the 4-hour imbalance right here. And at which point we know we're bullish, looking for price to trade through or draw towards at least the lower resistance liquidity, relative equal highs. First long for me, some of you guys could have gotten earlier entries if you were maybe a little bit more aggressive, like this inversion here would have been a decent and valid entry in my opinion. Little freaky because you're kind of entering like right in first presentation where price could to me I think you could have made a case for maybe more downside at this point, but other than that, this inversion been the first one, and then this 3-minute fair value gap looked clean, so entered first position in the entry inside this gap. Stop loss, I went below, basically right below this purple shaded area, which was first presentation. In my mind, I'm thinking, okay, if this PD array fails and then we also lose first presentation again well, I'm like, we're probably just going to go lower. That's kind of just the way that I view my stop placement. I view my stop placement very much so like probabilities. Like, okay, if I'm taking a trade at this level, why? Okay, do I want to see this level fail? No. Okay, so my stop should go where it's below that level, and if it fails, I'm out. So that's how I think about my stop placement. But yeah, got stopped out there on that one, and then basically aped into a long as soon as this candle inversed, which I told you guys ahead of time that I was going to do. And then, yeah, I did close here. This nice pop up. It got real fast and furious out of nowhere, and I was content. We got over 100 points on that. And just in case this ended up being a fat wick and then we come retracing back down really fast, I was going to be happy with that. So